How to fix Windows key not working on Windows 10 or 11. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, come below at the search bar, then type in Accessibility Keyboard Settings. Under here, you will see Filter Keys. Make sure that you have toggled this off. Once done, close this. Again, come below at Device Manager. Click on Open. Here, click onto your keyboards. Once done, locate your keyboard. Right-click onto it, click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers, then close. Once it's done, again come below at the search bar, then type in Task Manager. Open your Task Manager, click onto anywhere, then type in W. You will see a Windows Explorer, right-click onto it. Click on Restart. Once you do all that, restart your device, and that shall fix your problem. If you are still facing that problem, then you can take the help of on-screen keyboard. At the below search bar, type in on-screen keyboard. Click on Open. Then a keyboard will appear onto your screen. Click onto it. Then this is how you can use it. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.